Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's go to left side and tap to settings so we can open them. Now at the first place we have watermark option. When we tap here we get access to 3 types of watermarks. We can add timestamp on photos, we can add device watermark to our picture and connect it with a custom one. As you can see now this is locked because we have to turn on device watermark to unlock this. So by using these 2 buttons we can turn on and off these watermarks by just simply tapping on them. As you can see we can turn on all of them, or just the device with custom, or only timestamp, so you can pick whatever you need. Now let me keep it like that and we unlock the custom one. So here when we pick it we can add our own watermark, for example hard reset. Now we have to save it and this is how they look like here. Turn it on, let's keep it like that and move back to camera to take a photo. To see my picture, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how the photo looks like with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have device watermark Xiaomi 11T Pro with custom one hard reset, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need them or need another composition we have to move back to camera, then to right corner settings, then left one, tap to watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.